Hi, this is Washobi. Today I got another unboxing. This is a box from Tissot, as you can see. It is a square white cardboard box, and nice wooden box with a nice center line with red, white top, bottom black. And if I open the box, this is what you will see. This is the Heritage 1973 chronograph from Tissot. As you can see here, I believe this is the tool to manually adjust the date. This one is unique, i.e. you don't adjust the date using the crown, but there is a button. Very nice racing leather straps, butterfly clasp, leather strap here, chronograph, panda style. Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch soon, so follow the channel, visit my blog. You can see a lot of fully written up reviews of many watches. Alright then, until later, see you, bye bye.